Dear students, in this lesson we are going to study how to do project activity given in the chapter 4 Climate of India. Here in this activity they have given temperature and rainfall details, average reading of temperature and rainfall details month wise for various places across India. You have to arrive general conclusion about each and every place about these details given. Here is the little bit of analysis I have done on this data. Look at the annual rainfall data. See the red marked data. Leh is the least rainfall received place, about 8.5 centimeter per annum. Next in line is Jodhpur 36.6 cm, Delhi 67 cm, Bengaluru is just above Delhi 88.9 cm. Highest rainfall receiving place is Shillong 225.2 cm per annum. Mumbai, Kolkata, Trivandrum are receiving rainfall behind Shillong. So this is the in a nutshell I can give you the what is the status of rainfall across different cities. Now we will look into each and every city by constructing a graph for temperature and rainfall. First place is Bengaluru. Bengaluru is situated 12 degree 58 minute northern latitude. It is at the height of 909 meter above mean sea level. Now look at the graph. For each and every city you have to conclude how temperature varies. What about its extremes? How it varies over different months. Then what about the rainfall pattern in different months? These are all the broad conclusion we can arrive for each and every place. As far as the rainfall is concerned, Bengaluru receive rainfall during southwest monsoon season. Look at the graph. June minimum rainfall, July, August, September, even October also receives substantial quantity of rainfall. Significant rainfall in October and November also. Moderate temperature due to lower northern latitude. As Bengaluru city is located relatively closer to on the southern side of the peninsular India, temperature is somewhat moderate. There is not much fluctuation in the temperature across different months. Next place is Mumbai. See the graph. There is little or no rain from January to April. Southwest monsoon starts and is very active from June, July, August and even September. July is the highest rainfall recording month for Mumbai. Thereafter rainfall starts to decrease from October onwards. Look at the temperature graph, temperature line graph. Temperature line graph, we can conclude that there is not much variation across different months because it is a coastal city. Sea has a moderating influence on its temperature profile, so there is not much variation in the temperature across different months. This is the conclusion we can have about the Mumbai city. Then Kolkata. See the temperature line graph. There is somewhat static temperature prevails from April to October. Apart from this fact, temperature start to decrease on the both side of this static line. As far as the rainfall is concerned, Kolkata city also receive rainfall mostly from southwest monsoon, June to September. Thereafter, rainfall start to decrease from October onwards. Next is Delhi. See the fluctuation in rain temperature. There is a high degree of a fluctuation in Delhi because it is located distance from sea to Delhi is higher than any other place so far we have studied. So the temperature is highly fluctuating. It goes as far as below as 15 degrees C and goes as high as above 35 degrees C. As far as rainfall is concerned, it receives maximum rainfall during July because in June southwest monsoon starts arriving in southern tip of peninsular India. At the end of last exact date given is 29th June, Delhi starts to receive rainfall. So maximum rainfall is Delhi is having is July month. August, September also receives substantial rainfall. Thereafter, in winter months, Delhi receives little rainfall. So we have to note that Delhi experiences higher fluctuation in temperature because it is an interior area from sea. Next place is Jodhpur. There is also a higher fluctuation in temperature. You can see the October heat prevails in this region. October heat means higher temperature and higher humidity. You can see the line graph rising upwards in October months. As far as rainfall is concerned, most of the rain Jodhpur receives during July, August, and afterwards rainfall starts decreasing because southwest monsoon withdraw from Jodhpur from mid-November, mid-September onwards. So this is the fact about Jodhpur. There is also a higher fluctuation in temperature than Chennai. Chennai is situated in the coastal area, so it has a moderate temperature throughout the year. There is not much fluctuation in the temperature. As far as the rainfall is concerned, Chennai receives maximum rainfall during winter season. That is from October to December. To some extent, January also Chennai receives significant amount of rainfall. Its temperature is moderated by sea. Next place is Nagpur. Nagpur also receives rainfall from June to southwest monsoon, June to September. Thereafter it receives little or no rainfall during winter and retreating monsoon season. There is also a fluctuation in Nagpur on temperature. Temperature goes as low as 20 degree in winter and as high as above 35 degrees C in summer. The next is Shillong. Shillong is temperature. There is not much fluctuation in the temperature because of its altitude. It has moderate temperature throughout the year. Moderate temperature on the lower side, not much fluctuation. That is the point we have to make. Rainfall, as far as rainfall is concerned, it receives maximum rainfall during southwest monsoon. Apart from this fact, Shillong station receives substantial rainfall nearly 9 or 10 months. January and December alone, it receives a very mediocre rainfall. Apart from these 2 months, it receives a substantial rainfall for the remaining 10 months. The next, Thiruvananthapuram, it is a coastal city. There is not much fluctuation in the temperature profile. Rainfall, this place is also getting rainfall similar to Shillong. The next place is Leh. It is see the temperature curve, temperature line graph. It is a highly fluctuating of all the places given. Rain temperature goes as low as -10 degrees centigrade in Leh and goes as high as around 18 degrees C in summer. So it is the typical line graph. Leh experiences very extreme in temperature because it is located the northernmost point of the given places, so it experiences extreme temperature variations. As far as the rainfall is concerned, it receives very meager rainfall throughout the year. Then find out questions. Why are Thiruvananthapuram and Shillong rainier in June than in July? Because monsoon rain starts in June and has a break in July in both Thiruvananthapuram and Shillong. So, for this reason, both places have higher rainfall in June than in July. Why is July rainier in Mumbai than in Thiruvananthapuram? Because Thiruvananthapuram starts getting rainfall in June itself. Monsoon trough reaches Mumbai in the midst of June 15th and get intensified only in July. So, Mumbai gets more rain in July than in Thiruvananthapuram. Why are southwest monsoons less rainy in Chennai? Chennai is located on the rain shadow region of southwest monsoon, eastern side of Western Ghats. It is located. So, next question is, why is Shillong rainier than Calcutta? Because Shillong is located on the windward side of the Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon. Kolkata is located west of Shillong. So, when windy rain reaches Kolkata, it loses some moisture. So, Kolkata receives lesser rainfall than Shillong. Why is Kolkata rainier in July than in June, unlike Shillong, which is rainier in June than in July? Because monsoon, axis of monsoon shift westwards after striking northeastern states. Why does Delhi receive more rain than Jodhpur? Delhi is located to the east of Jodhpur, so naturally eastern places receive more rain than western places because wind from east to west loses its moisture, it gives lesser rainfall as it progresses towards west. Think why. Thiruvananthapuram has equable climate because Thiruvananthapuram is located on the coast, so sea has moderating influence on temperature and overall climate. So it has equable climate. Chennai has more rains only after the fury of monsoon is over in most parts of the country. Chennai is receiving rainfall during northeast monsoon season, which is not prevalent in the rest of the country. So that is the reason. Jodhpur has a hot desert type of climate because Jodhpur receives lesser rainfall. Leh has moderate precipitation almost throughout the year. Because when southwest monsoon wind from northeastern states to Kashmir reaches in east to west direction, almost little or no rainfall is received in Leh. So it has dry almost throughout the year. While in Delhi and Jodhpur, most of the rain is confined to nearly 3 months. In Thiruvananthapuram, Shillong, it is almost 9 months of the year. Because southwest monsoon reaches late to Jodhpur and Delhi, but the withdrawal starts from Jodhpur and Delhi. So the rainfall is confined to only 3 months, whereas Shillong and Thiruvananthapuram, where rainfall starts early and ends lately. So both these places receive rainfall almost 9 months. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.